Question 15. Sketch the shear force diagram for the problem below. So we've got a 2 meter long bar. In the middle, we've put a 12 kilonewton force. So pause the video and sketch what that should look like. Remember, we're going to be looking for units, labels, and so on to get full marks. When you're ready, press play. So the first thing we need to make sure is we got your units. So here we're going to have your kilonewtons. I'm going to use the symbol Q here. And for along the X axis here, we'll have X and we'll have units meters. You should be able to work out your actions straightforward. So you've got 12, they're going to be split in half, so 6 and 6 at either side. So you can then imagine your bar scanning through the bar and looking left of you to plot out what the shear force value should be. So just before we start, we're going to have nothing left of us, so we're going to plot that Q equals 0. And then as we just go past the pivot, we're going to shoot up to 6. So we're going to have a 6 kilonewtons value. And as I move down the bar, nothing will happen in that first section. So look left of me, all I can see is the 6 kilonewtons. And it's only when I go past that load in the middle that I can then see another force, and that force is going straight down, so I'm going to drop my 6 kilonewtons down to minus 6 kilonewtons. And then when I move down that bar, all I can see is those two forces until we get to the very end, and then we got another force which takes us back up to 0. So the fact that we sum up to 0 shouldn't surprise us. We've scanned through the entire body, and we should have the sum of forces in the X and the Y direction should sum to 0. To finish off my diagram, I want to label up any points of interest. So the first point of interest is going to be at the 1 meters, and the second point of interest will be at the end point there, so the 2 meters. So I think we're job done. Full marks, I think.